Hey, what's up guys, it's Lashak here in a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this Cuisinart kettle. I know it is a tech channel and that I'm supposed to review and unbox tech, but this is what we got our hands on this weekend. And I would like to mention that this is not a sponsored video. I got the product on my own and I wasn't paid to do this or anything. So let's get ahead and let's unbox it. Let's not waste a lot of time on the box overview. I'll just give you a preview of what's written. So it says it has a stainless steel tea infuser, and it also has 6 preset temperatures and a keep warm option. And that's it for the front, and on the top too, it's pretty much the same thing. And now you can, when you open it, first thing that you guys have is that this it's the user guide, and I don't think there's a warranty that's included, and I'm not sure if I mispronounced the kettle's name. It's Cuisinart. Actually, a fun fact, cuisine means kitchen in French. So this is the manual that's included. Now let's go ahead and take the product itself out. So the first thing that comes out is the secondary lid. I will explain why that's the secondary lid, and this is the kettle itself, and this is the base. So let's put the box away. And the last thing I would like to show in the box before putting it away is actually the drawing, the display of the product itself on the side. Here they show you the stainless steel filter that they were talking about earlier on. And for the packaging, I would say it was a bit of a struggle to get it out, because when I originally unboxed the whole thing, it had cardboard boxes and it was tight for some reason. It wouldn't come out. And yeah, so that's also a thing when I unbox and review something, and sometimes when it's a phone and I want to show how it actually was, I do it firsthand. But when it's for something like an appliance, I open it and I actually review it so that I know what content I'm going to be talking about. So this is what I was talking about earlier. This is the filter that's inside the kettle. And this is the kettle itself. It says the maximum amount of water that you can add inside is 40 ounces. I think it's a workable amount for a family of 4. And another thing that you can mention is that there is a filter on where the water is dispensed. So why that's important is, let's say you have some debris or some dirt on your drinking water. I know it's not supposed to happen if you are living in a well-serviced neighborhood, but if you have some debris in your drinking water, please get it checked or get a water filter. That's apart from the point. But if you have, let's say, green tea leaves or something like that, it will not come through. So it does have a filter where the water is being dispensed. And why you have a secondary lid is because if you don't use these filters to make tea of some sort or lemon tea, you can just use this and you will have a lid without anything inside. And that's pretty much. So this is something that also came inside the box with the user manual, and I forgot to mention it previously. So as you can see, that's the base, and you just have to stick it on top of the base to know which button has which functions, just like a walkthrough. Instead of you, if the buttons things fade out, let's say the letters fade out, this can be helpful. But I think with 5 buttons over the time, you'll just get it memorized. Anyways, it's a nice touch that they added. And I'll just bring the camera closer so that you can have a closer look on the product. So that's the kettle. And those are the user manual and guide, and this is how the base looks. So they have a few adjustable temperatures and that, and this is how the filter looks.